What's up, you guys? Hey guys, I am back on this vlog channel and it's pretty great. So I guess I haven't been on here in a while just because I like to focus on my main channel and that literally wasn't there like 10 minutes ago. But today I figured, let's vlog. So this vlog is not going to be a regular vlog because you guys, guess what I am doing today? You already know because you have seen the title. But I am packing to go somewhere. So I don't know about you guys, but I love packing. It makes me feel like I have a life and that I'm actually doing something, and I literally didn't even plan this out by myself. Okay, so basically that made no sense, so I'm going to give you some context. Basically, I went on this trip with my school, and it was for a school trip, and it wasn't something that my family planned out, so you know it wasn't personal. By the way, I'm wearing shorts. The hoodie covers them. So I'm going to Washington, D.C. for a school trip. We're going to go to a lot of places, and it's going to be a lot of work, but it is going to be fun. So that is what I am packing for today. And also because I love packing, literally just having a suitcase like in my room, it makes me feel proud. So there is a list of things that I need to pack. We're gonna start packing. I just made 2 really weird noises in like 5 seconds. So I'm just going to lay everything out on the ground that I need to pack. I need 5 shirts. So basically my school has a rule of you can't have words on your shirt because apparently it's distracting for other people. All of those rules are required on the DC trip. So we have to wear jeans on the plane for 4 hours. So I found 1 shirt that I can wear. 2, wait, it said 4 shirts, right? 5. I almost packed 4. Okay. If we have words on our shirt, literally it has to be so small, like a tiny thing in the corner, and that's it. Or you'll get dress coded, and they'll make you change. Okay, so I can wear this shirt for Friday. And 3, nope, 4. I clearly know how to count. So I have a plan for this trip. I went to the dollar store. I got a bunch of candy and I won't be bored on the plane. Why don't I give you guys a little update on my gymnastics? Obviously, meet season is over, which means that you get to work on new skills and you get to improve skills because you're not focused on routines and everything. Yesterday, I got to start working on layouts, which is so cool. And we also got to work on clear hips on the bar, which is really cool. There's my 5th shirt. Shorts or pants. This is also going to be a problem because a lot of my jeans are ripped. For example, they have rips in them. That's not allowed. Did I just move the camera? I don't know. 1, I struggle with this every week, you guys. Honestly, every day though. 2, okay. Found another one. Wait, I forget. I think I only need 4 pairs. Yes, I only need 4. Ha! Alrighty guys, I found another pair. Anyways, back to talking about gymnastics. I'm excited for summer because I love working on new skills. I'm excited to compete them. Another new skill that I've been working on is back handsprings on beam. It's just really fun because I've always wanted to work on those. Here are my leggings. I found it, but of course this one is a different sock. So, well, I guess we're throwing. Actually, that's too complicated. I'm bringing this jacket right here. It's green, it has a fluffy hood thing, and I wear it like almost everywhere. I have this little emergency poncho thingy, so I'm bringing that too. I'm wearing this dress right here. Okay, toiletry items. We're just gonna skip the whole toiletry thing because that's pretty normal. See you guys later.
Say hi.
Alrighty, so right now we are packing and Ruth is on there. I don't even know if I just like showed the camera to you because I'm bad at filming. I'm also packing my makeup. Alrighty, so I've finished packing mostly. I'm probably missing a couple of things, but I can just pack those tomorrow morning. I need them because they're like my toothbrush and stuff, but otherwise I am good. Alrighty, it is probably like an hour later since I last talked to you guys. And here's Toby Whoopies. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna have to put in my camera stuff in there and just chargers. Obviously my actual cameras too. We're gonna have to wake up probably around 4. I know it's really early, but we have to be at the airport by 6 a.m. Toby, let's go outside. Like he'll come running. He's so cute. We're gonna do a couple skills on the bar. Oh my god, my wrist just like almost slipped off the bar. Couple of casts. Oh god, I did it. So that's that. Toby Whoopies, look how cute you are. You're so cute. Hello, little one. Hello. He likes to sit in that spot. I'll do a turn on here, but can't promise good filming because it's kind of hard. I don't know. Toby. Hello, little one. He's so cute. I haven't really had an actual lunch. I mean, actually, yeah, I have, but I'm still hungry, obviously. So I'm gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The phone is ringing, and I need to run and get it, so see you later. Guess what I'm doing?
You're making your peanut butter sandwich?
Yes, and something else.
What?
I am vlogging. Say hi to the camera.
Oh my gosh. Hello, camera.
I'm packing for my trip, and I got out of the shower like an hour ago, so that's why my hair is like this. We'll be back because sunscreen is a necessity. Wow, I am looking great, but basically that made no sense, so here I am explaining again. But we didn't have any sunscreen, and we were looking for it, and we couldn't find some, so we went to look for it, and it's a necessity, so we had to stop to look for it.
Alright.
Alrighty guys, so basically that's the only reason I don't like packing, because my dad is so specific about everything. So we just checked over all of my luggage, and right now I am writing, and he always interrupts me. Basically right now I am writing a plan for tomorrow in like this bullet journal thingy. I don't know. So my friend, what?
So you're gonna take this pink one?
Hang on. So, I'm planning out everything that I need to do tomorrow. Basically, like, before I leave and for the airport, because I don't really need to plan anything after that, because our school, like, tells us what to do. So, I need to charge this first of all. That whole time when I was packing, I thought the camera was charging, but to my luck, it wasn't. So my friend Ruth told me about bullet journaling, and now I'm getting inspired. So, I don't know what that was. So yeah, I guess I'm ready for the trip. That was awkward, it didn't stop. Also, do you guys look like my cute fairy lights in the background? I stole them from someone's bat mitzvah, but I didn't actually steal them from like a store or anything. Like, it's pretty okay. I have to screw on the thingy to put you guys on the camera stand. You're trying to go. You're trying to go. I don't really know, but it's fun, huh? Why is it blurry? And now I have to bring this camera stand around my bed. Actually, over, because that's easier. And which I'll put you guys on it. Say hi, Toby Whoopies. He's so cute. Sometimes he just likes to sit in my room for no reason. You guys get to watch me edit, but you're not gonna watch what I'm editing because this vlog will hopefully be uploaded before that video, so If it is, I don't want you guys knowing when I'm uploading. God. That video was definitely uploaded way before this vlog went up. Alrighty. What? So this is a perfect example of what my dad does all the time. He calls me and then he doesn't answer. Like, girl, I am screaming at you. If I scream at you, what? Answer me. Like, don't just call me and then not answer me. Like, you guys, he does this all the time, but I didn't put the other ones in. Like, there's one before this, and then there's literally, like, 3 times he does this afterwards. Like, girl, if you're gonna call me and scream at me because I'm not doing something, then answer me. Alrighty, I just finished making the thumbnail of my video. I need to go eat dinner, so I'll be back. Alrighty, I am back, and if you were wondering, I had spaghetti and it was very good. Alrighty, so I think I am done, and that video will be up on Tuesday. I should be good. What's up, you guys? It's Emma. I was just outside practicing some gymnastics, and I'm really close to doing my half on the grass. I probably can do it like in the gym, but they wouldn't allow me to do that, so here I am being unsafe at home. But that's okay, because it's not like I don't feel ready, you know? I also did a back walk over back tuck, which I haven't really worked on that much. This is the second day that I've worked on it, and I did it, so that's really cool. My mom's calling, one sec. I'm not gonna do much for the end of the day, but edit, so I'm gonna edit this vlog and hopefully get it done. Well, I never got it done at that time. And yeah, otherwise, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then next to it, turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified when I upload. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!